Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.19 regarding inflation, a notable dip that stands out against our historical baseline. This negative sentiment suggests that the prevailing mood is more pessimistic than usual, and it's critical to understand why. Typically, we observe fluctuations, but this specific downturn coupled with a momentum of zero indicates a lack of confidence in any upward trends. Our Inflation Sentiment API returns insights like sentiment scores and momentum, helping you gauge public sentiment around inflation in real time using 20 semantic clusters. Imagine integrating this data into your financial models or decision-making tools. You could fine-tune your strategies based on shifting public sentiment, enhancing your responsiveness to economic changes. To dive deeper into integrating this data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.